Today we are in a place called Amatlán, which is about 10 minutes away from Tepoztlan, which is about 2 hours from Mexico City. Really nice place. So we're in the middle of a forest at the minute, going on a little walk, and the aim is to try and get to a nice picturesque location on the other side of the walk. It's the perfect place if you want to try and get away from the hustle and bustle and the crowds in Tepoztlan, because it's super touristy there. And here, we haven't seen anyone. So yeah, if you need a little escape, perfect place to come. So we have just made it to Tepoztlan, got the bus from central Mexico City. This is the home of what looks to be an old Mayan pyramid at the top of a giant cliff. The views around here are absolutely spectacular, and we're super excited to see what this place has in store. So today we're going to be heading up to the pyramid up at the top of the mountain. If you look up there, we're going to be heading to the top of this mountain here, and that's where the pyramid is.
I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not.
Very long walk later, and we have made it to the top.
And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow and me are one.
Made it to Teotihuacán. I think that's how I pronounce it. The pronunciation isn't great, but it is huge. Like this pyramid is the largest pre-Hispanic monument ever recorded, and it's a spectacle. It's massive.
Originally, it was thought that this temple is called the Pyramid of the Sun, because it was thought it was dedicated to the sun god, but upon further archaeological discoveries and stuff, they found that it wasn't for the sun god, but it was for the water god instead. So the top layer is for the gods, and then the bottom of the pyramid, where there's tombs, represents the underworld, where people go to be reincarnated into another life.
I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna. Tepoztlán.